Elect Tony Evers will announce new cabinet picks tomorrow, and we are learning more tonight about just what he plans to put in his state budget after taking the oath of office.
His inauguration just days away now. He sat down with our chief political reporter, Jessica Arp.
What tenets should people look at when you
are
putting this together?
The things that I ran on and things that the people of Wisconsin told me are important: healthcare, transportation, and education. What I propose as state superintendent, that will be in the budget. A $1.4 billion increase, $600 million of that would be for special education kids, having a funding system that is fair, and if districts have an inordinate number of either poor kids or English learners, they should get more money. All that would be part of the budget. We will be putting a budget together that has a Medicaid expansion in it.
A lot of what you just discussed in the budget that you intend to put together, though, especially that Medicaid expansion, Republican lawmakers have said that's really a non-starter with them. And they're even talking about not even working off your budget, just starting with the base. How do you deal with that?
We're going to be talking to the people of Wisconsin that this is impacting. I know it impacts them as politicians, but there are people, whether it's physicians and hospitals and dentists that want higher reimbursement rates, or whether it's people that feel that they're not getting adequate health care and they should be getting it. All those people will be speaking up, and they will, I believe we will bring a coalition together that will convince people that we need to take that Medicaid expansion.
How concerned should people be that Republican-controlled legislature, Democratic-controlled administration, that we're just going to be at loggerheads for a couple years here?
I think our success is based on returning to some really basic Wisconsin values, like being civil, having good debates, finding common ground, respecting differences. And I know people might say, "Oh my God, he's dreaming. You know, what has Evers been smoking?" But the fact of the matter is this: we have to do things for the people of the state of Wisconsin. That's what they expect government to do. They're sick of the political infighting. And you know, I'll use this as a small, but frankly, kind of weird example. If President Trump and Kim Kardashian can come together to create criminal justice reform at the national level, Evers and Walker and Fitzgerald, Evers and Voss and Fitzgerald should be able to do that here.
Evers said he was hopeful that transportation funding could be the first major compromise made between his administration and Republican lawmakers.
But also told the Associated Press in an interview that he would consider vetoing the entire state budget if Republicans completely ignored his spending plan. Still, heads